Today we're going to show you how to create an SOF and then share the time and activities data with your client so that your client can then import the data directly into Laytime Master without any retyping. As an agent, you'll be doing your clients a huge favor. If you're a charterer or an owner, you'll want to ask your agents to begin using SOF Master once you see just how easy this is for everyone. Alright, let's get started. First, open up SOF Master and create a new statement. Now that the statement is open, we'll type the first few lines of our times and activities. We'll use a fairly simple discharge scenario. You'll notice too that activities that are used repeatedly are saved and easily retrieved so they don't have to be retyped by your agent. Okay, so for the sake of time, we'll wrap up most of this right now. Just finish with the last couple of activities before we complete the statement of facts. And now we'll save the document and then also create a PDF, Word, or text file that we can share with the client. Make sure you take note of where you've saved the PDF. Then open the PDF, scroll down and look at the footer. There at the bottom you'll see the master link code. Your client will use that code to import the time and activities data to perform laytime calculations in Laytime Master. Now we will open Laytime Master. Laytime Master is the companion to SOF Master. It's what your client will use to perform laytime calculations. First, they'll need to open a new laytime statement. Then they will click on the Master Link Download button at the top. As it opens up, they'll type in the Master Link code and then hit OK. And then the data from the SOF statement will populate the Laytime statement. It's that easy. Now your client can decide which of the activities they would like to appear on the statement. They can also decide which activities should count as laytime. They can also add things like cargo quantity, load or discharge rates, demurrage and dispatch rates, etc. Then they simply hit the Calculate button to get their demurrage or dispatch. They can also create a PDF to share with the counterparties. We hope you can now see just how easy it is using the Hydrostatix Master Suite to do SOFs and Laytime. Thank you.